Don't
Hello
forget
guys,
to like,
in
comment,
today's video I'm
share,
going to
and
show you guys how
subscribe.
to format articles on Microsoft Word. You know, new writers do not know that formatting is one of the things that writers and accessors, one of the things that clients and accessors, look into when hiring writers. Basically, I hire writers a lot, and whenever I post an ad that I'm looking for writer, one of the things that I look for is how they format their ad articles. One thing about new writers, I mean, people that are within 1 to 5 months in the field, is that they don't know how to format articles. That's just it. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to format your articles, and if article formation is a one of the things that the client is looking at, then you know that you have nothing to worry about. And after showing you how to format the article on Microsoft Word, I'm also going to show you how you can also return the same format in case the client also asks you to send this work on your via Google Docs. So let's go there. So okay, fine. Just like I explained, okay. This is a new article that I want to show you guys how to, format. So the first thing you do here is to highlight all, and then you come down to the font. You change to Times New Roman. You can change to any font you want, but basically I like using the Times New Roman. So the basic thing to use is 12, the font size. So you click on 12. So here you highlight this thing, okay? So cool. You highlight, you put this is meta description, and here is the heading of the article. So you change it to heading one. So when you change to heading one, the color will change. Don't worry about this color. The most writers, when I'm hiring writers, they will kind of they will be fond of coloring these headings. Maybe they most times they think that like this guy is changing the colors and all that, but that's not true. So now you come over to two. This is heading two. This is a subheading, so use heading two. Okay. So this is okay. Here are the methods. Okay, this is cool. Then this is a heading under heading two. So we are going to change it to heading three. Okay. So the same thing here. Heading three. That's cool. Okay. So go down and make sure you do the same thing. So uh, we have to be a little bit faster. That's why. So another thing you need to understand is this. After you are done with the heading three, and then you also have heading two again. So what I mean by this is this. If let's say you are giving instruction articles and those subheadings that the client ask you to work on the instruction file, those are heading twos. All of them are heading two, except the main topic, which is heading one. So any other subheadings that comes into under those things are called heading three. So this one now is we are back to heading two. We are just done the heading three. So you continue. So we are down to the conclusion. So we highlight the conclusion and also head into. So that's fine. So now let's highlight if you are working on SEO article and the client also asks you to highlight the keyword, you have to do that. And basically, even if the client does not ask you to highlight the keyword, it will be an added advantage if you highlight the keyword to show the client that yes, this is what you did, and the client will know that yes, you truly know what you're doing. So in this case, we are going to find the keyword and highlight it. So in this case, the keyword here is Titan Asonox without top range. So okay, basically I use this color for the main keywords. Okay, so we scroll up again and do the same on the okay, there's this keyword. Okay, very good. So here it is, Titan Asonox. So we click here and that is. So the next thing you have to do here is to save your work. Okay, let me save. Okay, I save my work. tighten axle uh, dog knots. Sorry, okay. Tighten axle dog knots. Okay. 00. Okay, this is good. So with this format now, with this you can send the article to your clients. And however, there are also some other, if there are other keywords that the client asks you to work on. Let's say, for instance, how to tighten an auto keynote without a top this should be uh, analyzer keyword here. So you click here, that is it. So you highlight everything in this sequence. For instance, this is another one. So you highlight. Um, for instance, this is another one again. You also highlight. Now, if you take a look at these articles, I use different keywords. Now, if maybe there is an anchor text, the client asks you to also underline. Let's say an anchor text here is flyers. So basically, I go with this yellow. Okay, cool. So now there are three different colors here. So you don't have to highlight both main keyword, anchor text, and Eliza keywords with the same color. No, the client will be confused on what you mean by this. So this is why you have to differentiate by using different colors. So the client will also know that yeah, this guy knows what he's doing. Okay, sorry, that should be an error. Uh, so the next thing we have to do now is how are we going to maintain this exact format when we are sending it to the client via MX1. So the next thing you have to do here is this. Basically, if you copy this thing like this and send it to Google Docs, the format will automatically change. So this is what I do. First of all, I create a link for this file and open it via online. Okay, so we'll be doing that now. Let me just click on uh, share. Okay, that's good. Share with people. Yeah, share with people. Okay, something is preventing us from sharing this file. Okay, I will fix this and then we get back. Okay, just like I stopped the other time, let's go back and see how you can share this article back to Google Docs. So here is the article we were working on before. So I had some issues, so I have to pause the video and fix it. So for you to get this same formatting on your Google Docs, this is what you have to do. You come to files, then you go to share articles, then okay. What I'm trying to do here is just to generate a link. Here said get a sharing link. Okay. Okay, create edit link. So you can use either view only link or edit link, but I kind of choose to go with edit link. So here you copy the link and okay. Let me go to WhatsApp and paste it on one of my contacts. Okay. Let me just paste it here. So that's good. So I okay. So I click here to to open this file via the drive version. So okay, it's loading. So this is what I have to do. I enable the editing. Okay, editing is enabled, and then I copy this article. I copy, then I go back uh, to those. That's Google Docs. I already have a file open here, so let me go back and create a new file. So okay, this is it. The file is now open, so I paste the work. So if you can see, we have the same format here. So the only thing we have to do is kind of to clear some space or add some space, as the case may be. So in this case, what we have to do is just to add some space to make this format look nice. So that's just all we have to do. So, okay, fine. Choose the spaces. Okay, now we're done with the editing. So just removing the space. So the next thing you have to do is to share the article with your client. So you come to edit share. Okay, so this is the first of all you have to give the article a name. Let's say Titan Axonaut. Titan Axonaut 002. Okay, we'll click on save, then we come back to share again to generate a link. You can as well copy the link here and send to your client, but I like clicking here. So I think we're having issues, a network issue again. So just like I said, you can copy the link here. So all you have to do is just to copy the link and then send it to your client. So then you are, this is all you have to do to format the article with MX Word and then have the same format with your Google Docs. Thank you.